Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change wallpaper on Opera GX. Let's say you want to change your wallpaper on your Opera GX browser, the app browser, and you don't know how. Well, it's quite simple. From the main menu, which is the home page, this is my second workspace. Actually, this is the first one, so this is the second workspace. So for my second workspace, I want to change the wallpaper. It's quite simple. By the left sidebar here, I'm going to check it to make sure the gear icon is showing. Now in case it wasn't showing at first, because it wasn't show at first, so what you do is you click on the sidebar setup with the three dots at the bottom here, and make sure that this on the Opera Tools settings is turned on, so it should not appear on the sidebar. The next thing, you click on your gear icon, and then under basic, scroll down, you see themes, you see theme gallery, then you see wallpaper. Now I want to change our wallpaper, so I want to change it to this particular one over here. Then you click on it, and that's it. That is all it takes. So if we go back down, let's go back to our workspace. Our wallpaper has been changed. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.